I want to give you 5 tips on how to grow on X, the app formerly known as Twitter. Let me just be straight with you, be very candid with you. I wasn't giving Twitter no love back in the day. I had family members that were on Twitter. They were telling me, man, you should be on Twitter. There's so many, communities, people are on Twitter. They're about something. They're about a cause. They're about a purpose, right? I wasn't hearing any of that. Back then, my primary focus was growing on TikTok. I've got about 331,000 followers on my main TikTok account, and I have about 400,000 followers total on TikTok, but that's with other accounts that I have. I've helped other influencers grow their accounts to a large amount of followers, way more followers than I have. All of my social media combined, I have about 500,000 followers, a little over 500,000 followers. I am on Twitter the most now, and more people come to Twitter first for their news, for breaking news, for information. You got to do your own due diligence because not all information is factual. They put stuff out to mislead, and some people are just there just for comedy purposes. You just got to be able to differentiate the actual news from comedy or people that's purposely trying to mislead. You got to go ahead and be able to decipher that. Being on Reddit brought me over to Twitter because I was investing, or still am investing, in GameStop. I just kind of fell into that situation because there was a community that was really, really excited about GameStop. I really didn't fully understand what was going on. So I invested in GameStop, made a nice amount of money, and then I invested, that brought me over to AMC. This is going to be one of my tips to grow on Twitter. I think I started my Twitter account in 2021. Really didn't start posting, just a little bit was in 2022. I really vibed with X, Twitter. I really vibed with it because of the movement that I was involved in with the ape community, the AMC community, and watching the GME community and watching other communities. Number one, if you're trying to be a content creator and you're trying to grow on Twitterverse, and possibly make this a living, right? Being paid by social media platforms. You have to take content creation serious. Make sure you're posting regularly, consistently. On Twitter, I noticed that the accounts that get the higher engagements, the accounts that have a higher follower count, they post anywhere from 5 to 10 times a day on average, from what I've seen, at least the accounts that I follow. I'm more of a quality over quantity person anyway, so I like good quality posts. So that's number one. Take content creation serious and make sure you're posting consistently. Number two, if there's issues you feel strong about, my suggestion is get involved with a community. I got involved with the AMC community and following the GME community, right? That's how it all started with being part of the AMC community. It was more due diligence. It was more getting the information and learning more about stock market manipulation, learning more about our financial markets. So getting involved with a community subsequently helped me grow my Twitter page or my X page by being involved in a community over issues that are near and dear to your heart, issues that are very important to you. You will not have a problem staying involved. At least that has been my experience. I don't have a problem making videos to entertain the community. I don't have a problem making videos about my convictions for AMC. I don't have a problem with it. That helps you grow because you'll continue to post. You'll continue to be loud about your cause, which you'll find like-minded people that'll be like, you know something? I like this person. This person is about what I'm about. So that's how you grow. The third thing that I think is very, very, very important. Make sure you find content creators, right, that you vibe with, that you really like them, and figure out, why do I like them? Is it they're funny? Is it they're informative? Is it, I don't know, maybe the person is got style. They have content that is workout related, health conscious content. Maybe you're trying to get in shape. Figure out what it is that you like about this content creator, about this influencer. Make sure you follow them. Make sure you study them. Okay. Maybe there's a lot of similarities, and then you can come up with your own style. Come up with your own style and how you want to present yourself to the world. Like, okay, I'm going to take bits and pieces from everyone because this is what I like. So, and this is the type of page I'm going to have, and this is the type of content I'm going to go ahead and offer to the world. Number 4, and you can apply these to any social media platform. Make sure you engage with comments on your posts, but more importantly, make sure you engage with comments on other people's posts. Your comments on other people's posts can go viral. Everyone likes a good comment or a good comeback. Like, damn, that was funny, or that was intellectual. If you're trying to grow on Twitter, I wouldn't just put the fire emoji or the thumbs up or, oh man, that was dope. Now, I've done those. Come back with a response, or come back with a comment that's funny. Come back with a comment that will make people think, that's intellectual. Maybe you come back with a video that you made, meme or picture or something. Come back with something that's related to the original post. So that can really help you grow, because people that are fans of that particular person, maybe you are, but there's going to be a lot of people that are fans of that particular person that really like their content. They're going to be like, oh, okay, this dude's comment, I like it. Or this person's comment, I like it. Let me go check them out. So they go out, check your page out. They end up following you. I get DMs like that all the time. Like, man, your content is dope, bro. I like it. I like what you're doing. I get those DMs, and I'm very thankful. Definitely very thankful and very grateful. Number 5, grow on other platforms. Make sure you grow on other social media platforms, because you can let people know about your Twitter account on your other social media platforms. I let people know about Twitter on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, you name it. I let people know that I have a Twitter account, and X account, the app formerly known as Twitter. Sorry about that, Elon. I know you're trying to rebrand. I know you are rebranding. It's just taking me a minute to get used to it. But X, the app formerly known as Twitter, I put that on everything. I put that on all my other social media accounts. I let people know I'm over on X. I'm over here, and I feel like X is the way. I really do. I think that Elon Musk has a vision for X, and I felt like, man, X is going to take over. You already see the numbers are going up in regards to engagement, the length of time people are on the app. I think Spaces is incredible. I go to Twitter first for news and information. Once again, you have to decipher what's real and what's, BS, but we're all intelligent enough to know, or we should be intelligent enough to know what's real and what's not. So make sure you tell everyone, and you put it on your other social media platforms, that I'm on X, the app formerly known as Twitter, and we over here making a difference. I see the growth. I've got I've got lucky with a few investments in my life, right? I'm not going to act like I'm some investing aficionado. I've gotten lucky, or I just had a feeling, right? I say that to say this. I saw the growth back in the day. I just felt it with Facebook, right? I just felt like, man, this is going to blow up. This is the thing that people are excited about. You know, a new way to communicate, a new way to grow communities and stay in contact with one another, and a new way to get information, right? And to share information. I felt that way about Facebook back in the day. I felt that way about YouTube. You basically have your own channel that you could go ahead and, whatever it is you want to do. If you want to entertain, you want to be a comedian, you want to be a dancer, you want to have a health channel, you want to go ahead and present the world with news, curate news, you could do it. So I felt that with YouTube too back in the day. I think it's BitDance, when BitDance bought Musically and they changed Musically over to TikTok, felt that same energy. I felt that energy right around the time my first video went viral. I don't know how many videos I was in. At that point, maybe 30. And I wasn't trying to go viral on TikTok, I promise you. The only thing that I was doing, I was documenting the lake. I love going to the lake, love boating. So I was just documenting the lake. Like, okay, we outside, we at the lake.